Yo, what's up everybody? It's Medigan May 2 going back here with another challenge video, and this is the Bean Boozled challenge. And I don't want to do this. I wanted to and now I don't. So the objective of the game is to basically not get the bad flavors. And we have a spinner. Blue, orange, yellow, green, white, brown, and yeah. I put 2 of each except for brown and possibly, I don't know, something else. So and we're gonna do this to like something. The box. I know you're disgusted, and there is many flavors. Most of them bad, most of them good. So who wants to go first? Not me. So we're gonna have to do a rock paper scissors, and let's see if the camera actually is gonna see it. It's not gonna see that. All right. Yes! I took a W! Alright, we gotta spin. Oh, that's basically orange or white. Which one do you want? It's in between.
White.
Alright, so if you get a white, it's either spoiled milk or a coconut.
Ew, I hate both of them.
There's the spit plate right there.
That's spoiled milk. Ew.
Let's go get some water bottles because I'm not doing this without anything to drink.
Oh my god, that tastes horrible.
Alright. She gets a bad one already. That's good for me. I don't have to eat it. Unless I roll it.
Get butter.
I do not want butter. Please don't give me anything yellow. Oh snap! I either have,
Rotten egg or burnt popcorn. Both of them are nasty.
or no, butter popcorn, or molded cheese, or caramel corn.
Small.
So I either get rotten egg, moldy cheese, caramel corn, or buttered popcorn.
There's only 2 good ones.
Still out. Bro, I don't like caramel or moldy cheese, and I don't like rotten eggs.
You better just close your eyes and pick one.
Bro, why?
What is that?
Oh, it was moldy cheese.
Ew.
Oh god, it tastes like jalapeno. Not today. No. I don't want to do this. Oh, it tastes like jalapenos.
Ew.
No, yes!
Wait, what color is yellow? Because all these are...
Butter popcorn.
No, what color in here is yellow?
Oh. Dang, I might not have...
You might have ate the wrong one. Okay, I think that's not yellow. Don't tell me what it could be.
You can't read it, I'm sorry, the quality is bad on the camera. You either got rotten egg, buttered popcorn, moldy cheese, or caramel corn. What did you get? Caramel corn or buttered popcorn? Because you're not blowing it up yet.
I think it's buttered popcorn.
Oh my gosh, you got something good. This is crap.
It still ain't good, ew.
Buttered popcorn is good. Blue.
This ain't good though.
Blue. Blue. Blue, 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 blue. What did I even get? Oh my.
Berry blue or toothpaste?
I got toothpaste. Yay. Yeah. Just great.
Ew.
White or brown? Neither is good.
I was ready to say because I can get dog food with brown. I just couldn't get white.
Alright. Go ahead, eat it up.
Hold on, wait. No, because I already got split. Forget it.
Spoiled milk and coconut. She got spoiled milk! Yes!
Ew. That's twice.
Twice. Stop playing with me, bro.
White or brown?
White, bro.
I was thinking you were risking that dog food.
I'm not getting no dog food.
What can white be?
Spoiled milk. Oh my gosh.
It
I don't think any of these are the good ones in there.
It don't even taste bad. I mean,
Yes, it do.
it's spoiled, but it's not that spoiled. All right, you go ahead. Gosh, still tastes like jalapeno, bro.
Oh, that's on blue.
Orange or white?
Orange, because I'm not trying to get
All right,
spoiled.
go ahead. Go ahead.
It's orange.
All right. Yeah.
I was listening because it's like there's orange in there.
Go ahead. You either got barf, peach, or dead fish, or strawberry banana smoothie.
It's one of them bad ones.
It was barf.
Ew.
It was dead fish. Yo, she got dead fish or barf.
Ew.
No way. I don't want that. Oh my gosh. If it tastes like kind of fishy, it's dead fish.
Oh, dead fish.
Oh my gosh, she got dead fish. Let's go. I'm not getting anything bad yet.
There ain't nothing good in this thing.
Yes, it is. Buttered popcorn.
No, I'm saying they say it's on the thing, but ain't nothing good in there. They want you to think you got bad luck. They ain't put nothing good in there.
Hey.
Ooh.
Green. Hey, green ain't bad. It's either lawn clippings or lime or booger or what?
Juicy pear.
Let me see.
The booger and the juicy pear got dots on them.
Yeah.
So that would be it. Ew. What is that?
I think it's lime. Lime. It's lime. Yeah.
Well, I thought you said wrong. I was gonna say.
I mean, it would have been good anyway.
That dead fish don't go away.
No, it don't. It don't go away for like 5 minutes. Green or yellow?
Green.
Alright. Yeah, lime must help. If it's sour, it's lime.
Oh yeah, that's lime. That's good.
Yeah, that's good. So.
White is across this line.
Everybody forget that line. It's in between them. I'm getting toothpaste.
What is berry blue?
That's berry blue. That's berry blue, baby. That tastes good. Oh my god. No way.
Why I got white again?
That's not white. It's in between. That's in between. White or yellow. Neither of them are good at all. None.
But if I get
You want a respin?
No, because that's cheating. What can yellow be?
Moldy cheese, rotten egg, buttered popcorn, or caramel corn.
Let me see that, John.
Oh my gosh. Moldy cheese.
Oh, man.
Rotten egg. What do you want? You can respin. You get 2 respins.
I'll respin because I'm not eating that yet.
I haven't backed down from a challenge. Yeah, I've been doing good. Oh my gosh. Blue or white? Blue. Is it very blue? Toothpaste? Is it minty? Toothpaste?
Yeah, it's toothpaste. Oh.
Yeah. It's minty. It helps your mouth.
When I brush my teeth, I don't want to eat toothpaste.
What, you buckets?
That thing is stuck in my mouth.
Green. I'm getting green.
Mmm.
It's lime. It's good. It's good. Lime is bomb, bro. You better get something like lime or berry blue, cause
Blue.
somebody need to get a brown.
Bro.
Hold up.
Oh, leave this one hard.
What did you get, blue? Dang.
Oh, it's toothpaste again.
Oh, she got toothpaste again. Let's go.
If this still being hard, I don't know what.
Alright. My go, baby. Woo-hoo.
Green or blue?
Green. Bro, I want to get lawn clippers.
What is it?
Lawn clipping.
Do it taste like grass? Wait, have you ever eaten grass?
No, actually. basketball. Like, remember I got that picture when I was a baby when I had that basketball jersey on?
You eating grass?
Yeah. At grandma's grave?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
He was ill.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
nasty.
Hey, his lawn clippings is healthy. Oh my gosh, it's disgusting.
Not when they've been outside. Hey, I can't get this toothpaste on my mouth.
Oh my gosh, it's disgusting.
Please get green.
Please get
Oh my god.
yellow or orange. Oh my gosh. You just got possibly the worst choices.
You rigged this
Both
game.
of them have 4. Both of them have 4. Yellow has 4 choices. Orange has 4 choices. I think you would rather go with yellow because molded cheese and rotten egg is not bad compared to dead fish and bark.
Oh god.
But you've had so many yellows, so like, her mouth is screwed. That is.
I'm gonna go eat a Pop-Tart.
What was that?
I don't know, but I know it tastes bad. It tastes like L.
What is it?
Tastes like old cheese.
I've been getting perfect
You
stuff.
rigged the game.
I did not rig this game. This is fair. All of them around. It's 2 of each.
And you gotta go under this table, stopping the spin. Oh.
I got blue.
Oh my god.
Toothpaste, baby. Oh my gosh, I got toothpaste, bro. It's horrible. After you just ate and berry blue, you're not supposed to eat that toothpaste because it's disgusting.
Oh my god. Oh,
Yellow or green?
green. Ew. I think this is lawn clippings.
This green is possibly the booger or the juicy pear. So don't end on this green. And this is just lime and lawn clippings. She got the lawn clippings. Don't give me brown because I'm gonna respin.
Brown or green.
I got lime again, but this lime bum. Orange or blue?
Blue. Please don't be too.
It's not,
It ain't too.
it's not minty, so it's not.
Yeah, that's toothpaste.
Oh my gosh, 3 toothpastes for her. Let's go. Orange or blue?
This game don't like me.
Want another toothpaste? Disgusting.
I told you I ain't got no good ones in here. I ain't seen a berry, what is it, berry blue yet.
I did.
What is it?
Oh,
I was with that toothpaste again in a second, because I thought it was berry. Are you okay?
yeah. It's disgusting. You go ahead. Oh my gosh, it's disgusting.
Ain't no good ones in here.
Tutti Frutti gonna be good. White or yellow? They're not good. If I were you, I would pick white because yellow has 4 choices and white
I've got
only
like
has 2.
4 rotten, spoiled, whatever you call it, milk.
Probably coconut.
No.
Well, man, let's go!
Oh my god.
Orange or brown?
You might as well go brown.
I want a respin. I still got one more.
Uh,
I got a respin. Yellow or white? Oh, that's
It's
clear.
on yellow.
Oh my gosh! I want my second respin.
if that don't land on brown, I'm gonna be weak.
White.
Mm-hmm.
Walnut. Here we. Oh hell no! Oh, I thought that was yellow.
What do it taste like? If it tastes a little sour. I need some more water.
Ah!
Because I think I ate every damn one in there except for boogers. And if I get a booger, I quit.
I got into detail. Alright, here you go. I need a toothpaste. I need a toothpaste. Yellow or white?
Just say go eat a Pop-Tart.
You can. You can respin. You got one more left. You get a final week. Oh my.
Right.
Thank you, Jesus.
Wow.
Darn it. That wasn't a good enough spin. No, oh my gosh.
White or brown.
I'm not eating no damn spoiled milk again.
Take your chances with that dog food.
That's a whole white. Oh! Ah!
I'm gonna suck on this line for a little while. Let's see if you say something.
Yeah, get you spin. Brown. Oh, brown! Brown.
Oh, man.
She got the worst one. She got the worst one. She got the worst one. It's a dog food. It's dog food. Hey, ooh, hey. She got the worst possible one in the daggone thing. Except stinky socks, possibly. I don't know. Nobody has got it yet. Oh, that's because I didn't put it in there. My dumb self. I didn't put it. My breath smell like spoiled milk now.
Ew, mine smell like dog food.
Colored. Hey, we putting stinky socks in here now. You don't know if it's stinky socks though, it might be the other kind. Why my whole breath smell like spoiled milk? Nobody saw it. Okay, you're gone.
Okay. There we go. Haha, we got the same thing. What if I went to next? Can we be done now?
No, not yet.
Because I feel sick.
Yeah, I do too.
Hey, let's get going next time. Let's just tell me about jelly beans. She's gonna put a handful in and it's gonna be the worst thing ever.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, let's just give somebody some.
Let's get Megan some. That's wild. Alright, you go one more time. Let's do it a couple more times. Come on, bro. I'm trying to get minutes on the board. It's 18 minutes. It's been 18 minutes and we only got like 30.
18 minutes, it feels like it's been 1,000 years.
Yeah, it has, but this whole bowl is full by the time we started, so, like, let's give Ben some.
No, we're not giving him.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not giving my SC any of these nasty pieces of crap.
Yes, you are.
No.
That's your spin because she didn't spin and she needed to spin green. Green or blue?
Blue.
If there are no more blue.
Ha, I'm gonna save my stuff. Move. This better not be toothpaste. If it's toothpaste, it wouldn't hurt because I brush my better. I had dog food. So it can eat.
She got dog. Oh my gosh, that smells spoiled milk on my breath. Toothpaste. It's berry blue. Okay, toothpaste. Berry blue. It's berry blue. It's berry blue. If it's not minty, it's berry blue.
Yeah. There's a little minty. No, don't. So I think it's berry blue, but I think that's the mint. I think this is what tastes minty.
Yeah. It had to be the berry blue.
It tastes like Kool-Aid.
The berry blue? Yeah, that's
Alright, this is spin, then we're done.
I'm not done yet. Oh my.
I'm gonna keep some Oreos up there. never told him to do this challenge. I hurt you. Because that was disgusting. Oreos are good though. Want another Oreo?
No. We're gonna do this 3 more times. That's it. I promise. That's it. I promise. That's it.
Hey.
What?
I say dog food. I'm not doing that.
Yes, you are.
Oh.
There's not even 2 rounds up here.
I need to go over 50.
Alright, this is the last 3 times, and then I will wrap this video up because it's been 20 minutes. You go.
No, we're going to do it 1 time because this dog...
3 times. 2 times. 2. Spin. 2 times. 2 more times.
Let's hit it 2 times.
No. White or colored? White or colored? I'd rather go for colored. Yeah, I'd rather go for colored. You didn't got white too many times.
This is the last time. Alright, let me say something. This Tutti Frutti, we can spin 1 more time. If it's not Tutti Frutti, I'm going to go curl up in my bed and eat Oreos and milk. I know it is, because I know they ain't put no good ones in here. What you say? I'm going to watch this video. I'm going to know what you said.
Smash the subscribe button. Smash that like button.
I hope I can smell it.
You can't smell any of them. No!
Tutti Frutti.
Fudge!
Color brown. What you gonna do?
Colored brown, I don't know. Colored, baby, I'm going for the yellow. What does Tutti Frutti smell like? What does it taste like?
It don't taste like socks. So if that tastes bad, you need to spit it out. Yep.
I think the Oreo gave effect to it, which made it worse. Alright, let's go.
Mint and socks. Took that color off, didn't you? Hold on, wait, where my blue go to?
Some more blues.
What you doing?
This is the last round, buddy.
So you're putting the nasty ones up there?
This is rare. And you gotta spin hard.
Oh my god.
The bowl flew off. No! No!
Blue. I'll eat toothpaste. But this is very good. Never mind, toothpaste.
Don't tell me there's no more blues.
Ha!
Don't tell me there's no more blues. Okay. Last one. Berry blue or toothpaste? What's up, fam? Ouch.
What is it?
Toothpaste. Ah. I hate this. I'm never doing a Bean Boozled challenge ever again in my life unless I do a collab with my sister. So. Toothpaste was only good when you got something nasty. That's the only time it was good. Oh, God. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button.
You didn't have to eat dog food.
I know.
Or rotten fish.
I know. I've ate dead fish before. But smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family about my channel. And peace out, everybody. You will be seeing more challenges from me and my family. Peace out and